Names of animals.
Cat, dog, elephant, goat, horse, lion, monkey, rabbit, rat, zebra, bear, beaver, camel, chameleon, crab, crocodile, deer, dolphin, flamingo, fox, frog, giraffe, hedgehog, hippopotamus, honeybee, jellyfish, koala bear, kangaroo, ladybug, mouse, octopus, panda, penguin, rhino, sea lion, skunk, sloth, snail, squirrel, stag, tiger, tortoise, whale, wolf.
Alphabet of animals.
A for alligator, B for bird, C for caterpillar, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flamingo, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for iguana, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for narwhal, O for owl, P for penguin, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tiger, U for urraca, V for vampire bat, W for worm, X for xerus, Y for yak, Z for zebra.